This is Monohan. This is my dorm. And it snowed last night. We came out last night around 12:30 in the morning and played in the snow. As you can see, there's the remnants of my little snowman. He didn't live very long. But yeah, we got a good 4 inches. It's nice. There's campus security. Say hi, campus security. There's our snow woman. My friend Adelaide built that. She's very special. Snow woman. Oh. But yeah, this is Middle Tennessee State University's campus under the cover of snow, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna get out of the snow now because I'm freezing, but